Welcome to Pixie Look, a place where beauty does not disappear with age. It transforms, deepens, and becomes more meaningful. Today's lecture is about stunning hair transformations that every woman needs to see, especially for women over 60 who are ready to embrace change, confidence, and modern hairstyles with pride. For many women, hair is more than style. It carries memories, habits, and identity. Over the years, hair becomes a companion through life's changes. That is why deciding to change can feel emotional, even overwhelming. But transformation is not about loss. It is about renewal. It is about stepping into the version of yourself that feels honest and empowered today. Hair trends for women over 60 in 2025 are shifting in a beautiful direction. The focus is no longer on trying to look younger, but on looking confident, polished, and authentic. Modern hairstyles celebrate texture, movement, and individuality. They are designed to work with your natural hair, not against it. This is what makes today's hair transformations so inspiring. One of the most powerful moments in any hair transformation video is the reveal. The chair turns, the mirror lifts, and suddenly, a woman sees herself differently. Sometimes there is silence, sometimes there are tears, sometimes there is a smile that says everything. These moments remind us that hair is deeply connected to self-image. A new haircut can lift the face, brighten the eyes, and awaken confidence that may have been quiet for years. Color also plays an important role in beautiful hair transformations. Popular hair shades for women over 60 are softer, blended, and natural-looking, embracing silver tones, adding gentle highlights, or warming the hair slightly can create depth and brightness without harsh contrast. The goal is harmony, not camouflage. Hair color should enhance the skin and bring softness to the overall look. Beautiful hair transformations for ladies over 60 focus on practicality as much as elegance. Easy-to-style cuts, lightweight shapes, and modern finishes make daily routines simpler. When hair feels manageable, it removes stress and adds joy. A good haircut should work for you every single day, not just on special occasions. Jaw-dropping hair transformations are not about perfection. They are about authenticity. A woman does not need dramatic length changes to feel renewed. Sometimes, it is the softness around the face, the movement in the layers, or the confidence in a shorter style that makes all the difference. New hair trends for mature women are rooted in self-acceptance. They encourage women to stop hiding and start celebrating who they are. Hair becomes a reflection of inner strength rather than external expectations. This is why transformation videos resonate so deeply. They show real beauty, real emotion, and real confidence. Every transformation tells a story of letting go of old versions, old fears, and old rules. A story of stepping forward with grace and self-respect. Hair becomes a symbol of renewal, reminding us that change is not something to fear, but something to embrace. At Pixie Look, we believe beauty evolves. It becomes calmer, stronger, and more intentional with time. Hairstyles for women over 60 are not limited. They are expressive, elegant, and empowering. Whether it's a modern pixie, a soft layered cut, or a refreshed color, every transformation is a celebration. Thank you for spending this time with Pixie Look. If you love inspiring hair makeovers, jaw-dropping transformations, and modern hairstyles for women over 60, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Because beauty does not belong to one age. It belongs to every woman who chooses herself.